Hello friends, welcome to part 78 of Laravel 12 multi-banner e-commerce series. So in this part, we are going to work on the sizes as well as their prices. Okay, so we are going to work on the dynamic prices on product detail page with discounts and variants. So here I'm going to show you that in the last part, we able to do the work on these breadcrumbs, we able to display, and also we able to display this product zoom feature. And earlier we able to display that product URL, dynamic product URL, SEO friendly product URL, and now we are going to display the dynamic sizes. Okay, here we are going to display the sizes, and once we will select the size, the price will change. Okay, if there is the discount, then we are going to show the discounted price as well as its main price, MRP, as well as the sale price. Okay, both CP and SP price. Okay, cost price and sale price we are going to display here after the product name. Okay, along with the discount percent as well. So we are going to work on this thing. So let's start. First of all, we are going to update the detail blade file. I'm going to open the detail blade file. So here I'm going to update the price block as well as the sizes block. In price block, I am going to add all the classes that we are going to use, like the get attribute price class. That from this class, we are going to fetch the price of the product via AJAX and jQuery. Okay, so that's why we are going to add this class. But first of all, we are going to check for the base price. Okay, so what's the base price? The price that we have added in the product detail page at the time of once we have added here the price, you can see that we will add the price here, product price, as the base price. So this price we are going to display in the product detail page, but we are going to display the attribute price once the user will select one of the sizes here. Okay, like we are then going to show from the attribute. So yeah, attribute in the same page. See, this one is the base price, and this one comes from the attribute price. This product is blue t-shirt, so I'm going to open that blue t-shirt here. Okay, so the first price is the base price that we're going to show when the product detail page load for the first time. Okay, and that we are going to pick from the product main price. This is the product main price that we are going to display here. And if there is the discount, like the 10% discount, then we are going to cut this price and will show that 10% discounted price, that is 900 rupees. Okay, that we are going to display. Okay, so and once the user select these sizes, then we are going to display the attribute prices. Here you can see the 1000 for the small, 1100 for the medium, and 1200 for the large. Okay, so that we are going to display once the user select these sizes. So we are going to work on these things. So let's update this sizes block as well as the price block. So here I'm going to modify the price block. Here I'm going to check where we are displaying the prices. Here is the price. Okay, so this one I'm going to replace it with this block. We are going to mention it as well, price block. Okay, so here you can see we are going to display the, see if there is the discount, then we are going to display the discounted price along with the final price. Okay, and if there is no discount, then we are going to show the final price. Okay, then there will be only one price. So this one we are going to display like this. And also we are going to update the sizes block, where we are going to call the sizes dynamically. Here it's static right now, and we are going to dynamically going to get the sizes from the attributes of the product. So we are going to make it dynamic as well. This complete part we are going to update. Okay, so after this we are going to modify the detail function in product controller. Here you can see that we are updating the detail function to compute the initial price of the product. Okay, here you can see the new function, compute initial price. So this we want to fetch the base price of the product that we will fetch from the this product price that is stored in the products table. Here you can see the main price of the product stores in the products table that we are going to fetch. Okay, from here. Here you can see the product main price, okay, that we are going to fetch from the products table, and the other prices, product sizes, product variants price, you can check out in the products and attributes table. All the prices are here. According to the size, the price will vary. Okay, so that we are going to pick from the product underscore attributes table. So, and one more thing I want to tell you, that if the discount applied, then first we will take the product as the priority. Like if the discount applied to the product here, okay, we are going to pick this one. And if the category discount applied, then we will give the second priority to the category discount and third priority to the brand discount. Okay. So that logic we have done here as well. I'm going to show you. Okay. First, we are going to modify this detail function. We are going to align it as well. So here, this function we are going to create now to get the initial price of the product, and also we're going to modify this get product detail by URL function. Okay, here we are going to get here the category, brand, attributes also we are going to get, because we are going to show the sizes dynamically. Okay, so we are going to modify this function as well, get product detail by URL function in the product service. Okay, so this function also we are required to modify. So we're going to open this product service at the front. So this function, I think at the last we have added in the last part, and now we're going to modify this one so that we can able to fetch here the main category, see the category, parent category, attributes, brand, everything we are going to fetch from the product. Okay, so now we are going to add this function, compute initial price function, here in the product service as well. Okay, and we are going to add this function as well. After this, we are going to add this function, and here to get the product final price, okay, discounted price. Okay, to compute the initial price, here I have added its doc so that you can able to know that what this function do. Compute the initial price to show on product page load. Use first active site price if attributes exist, otherwise product underscore price. Applies discount priority. See product, then category, then brand. Okay, first we are going to pick the product discount, then category discount, then brand discount. So according to the priority, we have applied the discount like this, and here we will return the base price, final price, discounted percent. Okay, so all these things we are going to return, that is required in the detail blade file. Okay, so here we have added this function as well. Now we are going to add this get price jQuery function. Okay, so this get price we are required to add in the detail blade file at the time of selection of this site. Here you can see, okay, once we will select this site, then we are going to get that price of that particular site. Here what we are going to send, here we are going to send that site, okay, that the user select, and also the product ID. Here you can see that we will also send the product ID as well as the site, so that we can able to fetch the price of that variant. Okay, so this get price jQuery function we are going to add in custom.js file located at the front. Here we have only one jQuery function so far, and now we are going to add, but I'm going to add it outside the ready function. Here I'm going to add this one. Okay, fine. I hope it's clear. Okay, so here we are going to call this URL get product price, where we are going to send these two things, site as well as the product underscore IDs, to fetch the price of that product attribute. Okay, to that particular size. Okay, we like if the user selects that medium size, then we are going to fetch that medium size price. Okay, so this URL we are going to create in our next step. We are going to create this route web.php file. We are going to create this route under front. So here we are going to create this route here, and now we are going to add this getProductPrice function that will help us to fetch the variant price, okay, that particular site price. So that we are going to add this function in the product controller. Here, the another function after detail function, we are going to get function here. And in this function also, we will call another function to get the attribute price, okay, from the product model. So this function we are going to get add in product model. This is the same kind of function that we have done earlier. Then that function is to compute the initial price, but this function is meant to compute the attribute price. The difference between that function and in this function is that function just get the base price. Okay, base price I have explained to you that we get from the products table. Okay, so this price we will get from that function. This price, here it is. You can see, okay, and this function that we have added will get the attribute price. Okay, this price we will get from this function, and here the priority remains the same. First product, then category, and then brand. Here also we are going to return the product underscore price, product price, final price, discount, as well as the percent. Okay. So now one last thing that we have to add the meta so that no CSRF issue will come that we are going to add in layout blade file. Here we are going to add this meta. So now we are going to check here that if it works or not. I'm going to refresh the page. Okay, some issue has come. We're going to check how to undefined relationship. So see, one relationship is missing that we are going to add. Okay. See, I have added one more step here. That is the 10th step. Add relation between the product and brand. Okay. So we are going to add this relation. Product belongs to the brand, so that belongs to relation like we have added for the category as well. So this relation we are going to add in the product model. See, like we have added the category relation. Product belongs to category, and now we are going to add the product belongs to the brand as well. Okay. So this relation also we require. So that relation also we are going to add as it is asking for this relation that we have missed to add. Okay, so now it's coming, and here you can see the product base price is coming. Product base price is 1,000 rupees, and we have got the 10% discount, so the price is 900. And here it is showing the sizes dynamically, small, medium, and large. So these sizes are the sizes of this blue t-shirt. Here you can see that we have the three sizes, small, medium, and large, and all three sizes we are displaying here dynamically. Okay, so here the every size is having the different price. Here you can see the 1,000, 1,100, and 1,200 price. Okay, so I'm going to select the medium. Let's see. Yes, the correct price is coming here, 1,100 rupees as the MRP, but we are getting the 10% discount. So the 10% of 1,100 is 110. So that's why the discounted price is 990 after the 10% discount. Okay, so if we will select the large, here you can see the 1,200 is the price for the large. Okay, 1,200 is the price for the large, and the discounted price is 1,080 after the 10% discount. Okay, so the prices are displaying correctly. We are getting these prices via AJAX without the refresh of the page. Okay, with sizes after selecting the sizes. Okay, so here you can also see that the base price will come for the product for the first time. And like if I will open the another product, okay, so I'm going to open the another product now. This one, and here you can see the no that we have added so far, and here you can see the red t-shirt sizes we have not added. Okay, so we don't have any size there for that product, so only this product we are having. So here I hope that you able to get it. Okay, you able to do this at your end as well. And if you will find any trouble, you can surely contact me. So please join as well as subscribe the channel, Stack Developer YouTube channel. Okay, for subscribing the channel, please open the Stack Developers YouTube channel, and you can get the complete source code by joining the channel. Okay, from here you can able to join the channel. Just click on the join link and you will find the various types of membership, and you can able to get the membership of your own choice and will get the source code, and you can always subscribe the channel free of cost. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.